students, welcome to 60 out of 60 in KCET Chemistry 2025 series in just 200 days. So you know it is very important to write test so that we can understand our level of preparation and we can understand our strength and weakness. So today is Sunday and as promised we have come up with the third test series of this KPL, that is KCET Premier League. So today is the third KPL test series that we are going to launch for you people. So we'll be discussing about it, as I told you every time, what are the portions, time limit and everything we will discuss in detail. Okay, so let's get started quickly. So first of all, this test will consist of 30 questions, okay, and this test, like as we said, every Sunday 8 AM the question paper will be provided to you, okay, and after that the syllabus will be for the topics that is covered in that particular week. So I'll be discussing the solution, the syllabus for KPL 3, and the solutions will be given to you by evening 6 PM, okay, so that you can check and you can tell your scores, you can see what questions you have done correct, wrong, marks you can give, everything you can do here, okay. So next, how to download this question paper? The first thing is you can join our WhatsApp channel. PDF of the WhatsApp is there, is given there, and the link of the WhatsApp channel will be there in the description section of this video, okay. All the videos, if you see, the link of the WhatsApp channel is there, so please join it there so that you can get the class PDF. Okay, next you can also download from the community post of the YouTube channel. So you know this is Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel, so you can go to the community post and there you can download the question paper, okay. So I'll like, most probably it is very easy if you join the WhatsApp channel, okay. Okay, next coming to how to attempt the test. So very simple, you have to revise the topics that we have studied in that particular week, then practice all the questions that we are giving to you in the daily lectures and in the shorts, then attempt the test in the exam condition. So what I mean by exam condition, your time duration should be 40 minutes and there should not be use of any calculator, okay, and you should not roam here and there while writing the exam. You have to sit continuously for 40 minutes and attempt the paper. Next, you have to use OMR sheet if possible, okay. So in our in this video also we will attach the OMR sheet link, so you can go download it, take a printout of this. So I'll tell you, at least you take a printout of 10-15 OMRs and keep with you so that you can practice on it, okay. So next is the portion for this week, that is KPL 3. So we will have total 30 questions, as I told you. 15 questions will be from DNF block and 15 questions will be from coordination compounds, okay. So these two topics have been covered. Prepare them well and then come for the test, okay. So what to do after the test? You have to check the solutions, then you have to assign yourself marks, that is you have to give +1 for every correct answer and 0 mark for wrong answers or unattempted questions. Then you have to analyze the mistakes. Suppose you have then 15 questions are there, which questions are wrong, you have to analyze why it is wrong, then which topic you are getting more wrong questions, you need to understand that. Next, rework on the weak areas, okay. So we have to work on those areas, you have to study them again and then revise it, okay. So this will help you to understand your strength and weakness, okay. So that's all in this video. So please be ready, prepare these two chapters and come for the test and then apply and then write the test and then tell me your scores in the comment section. So all the very best, and remember, we have to hit that 60 perfect score, okay. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel for more updates.